welcome at forextrading.com. It's 10 minutes after 3 a.m. Today is 16th December. We have some important data coming out today. It could be connected with euro economics. We have pound and we have unemployment in United States, of course. Let's start with S&P 500 index. Looks like yesterday I was telling you about double top seen at 4-hour chart, and I was telling you that we might see a little or medium correction somewhere below those points, or just stopping, retracement stopped at recent support resistance at this level, but seem to me that there are no sellers at this point. I'm not saying that the price won't come down a little bit, but I'm still saying we are looking for a situation to buy more, to experience interesting place where the market will turn up again when we see buyers coming in at the market, and to buy some for the future growth. So we see this kind of behavior when the super trend is coming, or we are in the super trend. The price really don't want to come down, even when we have specific signals like double top. So we are not really looking for entering short position. We are looking for opportunity to buy some cheaper. Now let's take a look at Forex currencies. Pound. There is yesterday's trade example at pound, so please take a look at trade example menu to see kind of trade classic short action taken after pound broke out to the downside from this beautiful channel, and we see a beautiful drop, and right now the pound is taking a little breath, probably we'll see if it's going to be a further drop, or we gonna see some buyers taking their chances right now at the market. Euro dollar looks very different. Well, recent times at 4-hour chart we seen buyers coming in, then we had some retracement and another strong buyers coming into the market. Right now, euro dollar was driven by the pound to the downside. It was not so aggressively, so I haven't seen a very important or nice action like we took on pound to take it short. But we can see some another sellout at euro dollar as well. So right now euro dollar is having more maybe not more probability, but it's less sold out than pound. So if everything will start to go down again, euro dollar is the one who has potential, because the recent yesterday sold out wasn't so big as on pound. But we'll see. The most important is how big are the candles, the red candles at the chart, how many buyers we have, how many sellers. We'll see more in a few seconds at 30-minute chart. Please remember that we have very important support resistance at this euro dollar chart. So we'll see how it will be happening at 31.80. Let's take a close look at this situation. We'll see how it will be happening at 31.80 level support resistance, and seen at 4-hour chart. So it will be important if the euro dollar will drop again with pound. I will be looking at this level, how it will be broken to the downside. If it will be just a fake breakout, I keep my hands off any trades. If it will be a sure break to the downside and follow through, or testing from the downside this level right here 31.80 and move back to the downtrend, I might be interested in coming in to the euro dollar market to short some. But it all depends on the situation, so I can't really say if I will be entering the market or no, right now. So we are keeping the short position. Let's take a look at 30-minute chart, we see here at 30-minute chart that the euro dollar is making a rectangle, small, narrow consolidation, which would be possibly a beautiful breakout to the maybe downside. We'll see about that. Right now it looks like it could be a continuation with more probability to the downside. Right now it's 16 minutes after European opening, so the market will show us shortly probably what kind of trend we'll be having in Europe as at least first part of the day trend. So right now pound is growing a little bit. Here situation at pound is almost the same as at euro. We see this small channel which could be called flag or just a rectangle. So it is a small flag, small consolidation. From this pattern we can see a little more higher and higher points, but please don't take any action too fast, because in those kind of situations we are looking mostly for to price action to rise and to sell it in some interesting moment, or wait if the sellout will be happening again, sell it in some more interesting levels. So conclusion is in this situation, if the price go up, unless it's a super trend, I mean super buyers coming in, beautiful big candles, big green candles like here coming into the market, and something has changed fundamentally and technically, I would rather not to enter the market. I would wait till the market is gonna take a breath to the upside, and then people start to short this currency market. We'll see if it happens. If it will be happening, it might be that I will be entering the market once again at short position. If something different will happen, I will stay off the market, and we'll see if the buyers will take over for some longer time or longer positions. And another situation at gold, which I wanted to mention. I was telling for a few recent days that we have beautiful signals, shadows at the 4-hour chart based on 4-hour strategy, which you will find in many strategies, Forex strategies, and another beautiful shadow seen at 8-hour chart as a shadow. Right now at 4-hour chart, it looks like two candles with very fast recovery of the second candle to the upside. And I was telling you that we might be interested in coming in long to the market, but I've took this rectangle to notice that it would be more comfortable after these signals. I mean, signals aren't entering the market. Signals are taking our notice to look at the markets strongly. And I've took this rectangle here to show you that it would be more comfortable if the market would consolidate in this kind of rectangle and then shoot up in the sky with the big one day candles trend. So I was looking for some kind of consolidation and move to the upside. Right now we've seen a breakout, and it was a classic breakout which could be finished with this more and more grow, but it didn't happen. Maybe this consolidation was too short. But if you take an example of this, everything is happening in this square. So I see it as a consolidation as well. So the more price action is staying at this level, the more chance we have at some points, some characteristic points levels, the price gonna shoot strongly, especially if the S&P index will be going higher and higher. We have a bigger chance to move that gold to the upside to meet less support resistance. So I will be still waiting for some interesting levels to come in with some strong buyers. So strong move from the buyers like here are, or this one right here, are necessary to come into the market. So not only the signals, but strong demand, strong green candles are necessary to enter the market with the big players. So thank you very much for listening. That's all for today. I hope you see some more interesting videos, and please see also online Forex courses. Thank you very much.